I am Anand Sharma and I am from Team Caffeinated. Today is the last day, the final demo day of the coNSTruct Hackathon.
Myself Raj Patre from Team Typecrafters. After refining our product for 30 days, we finally get to pitch it in front of the judges.
My name is Atul Sahu and I am from Team Hardcore.
Myself Shrishti from the team Black Whale.
We are here at the Newton School of Technology, Bangalore campus, and very excited to see all the presentations at today's demo day.
Our product is called Attire.io. It is basically an AI-powered wardrobe assistant with outfit generator.
Our app is memory map. So in simple words, it's like a pin board where you can pin your memories on the map.
Our product is called Quiet Mind, and it basically provides calm natural space where we can work on our thing without getting disturbed by our surroundings.
The judges really liked our product. The audience which we were sitting in front of us, they also really liked our product. So we got a very positive and a very constructive feedback from them.
We got some suggestions that if we are going to take this to next level, we will majorly focus on the graphic part.
I genuinely feel our pitch was very great. The judges seemed very impressed of us, and all the credit goes to my team.
Quite happy about my pitch, but yeah, I was nervous at that particular moment, but it was a very good experience over there.
Really interesting to see the sparks at such grassroots levels that we saw today. We also run a very large product community, so we've been seeing lots of ideas from a long time now. And I think with the emergence of AI, the possibilities that younger folks in the ecosystem get exposed to in their early days is something that I realized only today, and the power of it can be huge. So I think that is something that I really enjoyed from today's session.
For a first year student, it just shows what the practical challenges they'll face when actually building something.
Largely something we discussed before coming here was we definitely wanted to simulate an environment for them and judge them based on real life practical experiences, right? Most probably something that we didn't have early learnings from.
Having a practical application of what you studied also helps. It also makes you fall in love with what you've learned.
Some of these are things that we had thought of earlier, but we saw newish implementations here. Others, there were some brand new ideas that came through, some things that I wish existed in the world already. So yeah, I really enjoyed what folks here worked on.
I think that has a lot of potential, right? Just that one simple thing telling me that, hey, what is this area safe? Or if it's not safe, why is it not safe, right? So I really love that idea.
Absolutely. I think, and especially I think even the prototype did justice, right? If you had just come up with a presentation deck and showed it to us, we might have had so many more questions. But I think in less than 2 minutes, he pitched what he's built, and lots more to figure out. But I think we really loved what he's done so far, and we're hoping something like this comes out to the market very soon.
I do really think that I can win this hackathon probably because my idea was solid. Probably the execution was not that great, but yeah, it was good.
We think that winning isn't guaranteed, but we have a real shot because we are solving some real world problems.